Late shipments on eBay lead to defects, top rated status failure, and even account suspension. So it is one of the most important tabs on eBay because if you don't ship it, you don't get paid, right? So we got all orders tab right here. And what you can do is log into eBay. And then once you're a seller and at least sell a couple items, you can get access to this, all orders, and you can see all of your orders here. There's a lot of different tabs, right? Now we can see in the last, we got 140 orders, around $9,000 sold on this account. Pretty solid at the end of the day, especially since it's a newer account, but it does get very messy. If you see all of your orders here, you get confused. Which ones did we ship? Which ones didn't we ship? Is the shipping updated? Has it been sent out yet? Where are we on this order? And that's why you want to be focusing on the main tab, right? And it's not with all the chaos. It's going to be priority, focusing on what's important, and that's shipping the packages out. You don't have to look at your previous orders. You just want to look at any orders that are still awaiting shipment that you need to purchase the shipping label for. And I always recommend purchasing it directly on eBay because eBay backs you. If the package gets lost, stolen, whatever happens, eBay's got your back if you buy directly on eBay, right? So we've got these orders right here, and you can see you can buy the shipping labels, ship it, the order ID. We already left them positive feedback, right? There's an automation loop that you can automatically implement right here, automate feedback right here. It's completely free. And right when somebody orders and they pay, you automatically leave them positive feedback because they're not going to leave you positive feedback unless you leave it to them most of the time. And you can see the date sold is December 18th, and we're not even shipping it until December 22nd. So it gives us a lot of leeway, a lot of time to be able to ship this. And this is because of the weekend. So we have those settings set up. You can set that up as well on the back end of your listing when you can create your listing, right? But we're not talking about that today. But when you do ship your item, here's an example. I'm shipping my item right here. You can put your custom size, dimensions. Is your package size correct? Does it contain any hazardous materials? And then you can ship it directly via eBay, FedEx, UPS, USPS, and you can see the, let's see, usually it has, included coverage. So this one includes $100, $100, and then $20. Well, UPS only includes $20 included coverage. And then you can add additional liability coverage and signature required right here. So a lot of different things you can add just when printing a label, right? But the big thing is just going to be doing the labels in bulk. When you are getting a lot of orders, you want to be able to do them in bulk. So when you go to your orders tab, instead of doing them one at a time, you can just click this button, shipping, and then get shipping label, and then you can print them all in bulk. Especially if it's the same item, you can put your preferences in behind the listing. So when you create the listing, make sure everything's accurate, and then it's automatically going to pick and plug that in and do it all via your preferred carrier. Mine's going to be USPS because they're going to be shipping up, and that's going to be mostly everybody's preferred carrier to start, right? So definitely check those out. Now, the biggest thing about the orders tab is going to be shipping them out on time. Right when you get into work, right? First thing in the beginning, sometimes you ship the package out and then it's like not moving at all. Or you ship it out and they don't scan it and you thought they scanned it. That could lead to your account getting in trouble, right? They track late shipment rate. So that's why the date sold, most sellers, they only have the date sold and then they have to ship it out like next day or within 2 days. And if you're just like a casual eBay seller and you mess up, all of a sudden they're going to limit your account and then none of your products are going to get any views. So all your products are going to be practically hidden and it's just going to piss you the hell off and you're going to have to get your rating back up. And the only way to get your rating back up is to generate more sales. So it's like a double-edged sword where they're limiting how much people can see you on the platform. And you don't want that at all. So definitely make sure you're shipping them out on time. That's going to be the most important thing. So that's why your orders tab is going to be one of the most important things. Now, on the left side, we have some other things. I mentioned the automate feedback. I mentioned the return preferences, shipping preferences. We're going to be opening those right now. So you can just right click, open, open, open. You can open up the rest if you want to just check them out later. But we're just going over them really quick. The return preferences, this is going to be important so you can automate your returns, right? You don't want to have to manually approve every single return that you get. If eBay forces a return, then just keep that in mind, right? And just automatically accept those types of returns. If eBay doesn't, automatically decline them. It's as easy as that. Automate feedback. That's going to be another tab that you want to go to. You want to make sure that you are automating feedback. That's going to help buyers respect you more. And then this is going to be your shipping preferences. You can kind of go through, and then this is where you have shipping rules, how much you're charging, free shipping, all that fun stuff. Carrier rate setting, offer buyers eBay discounted carrier rate or provide your own custom discounted rate. But that's pretty much the gist of the orders tab. I went over it as much as possible. Now it's your turn to generate some orders, and we can help you. There's a link right in the description to contact us. We're EHP Consulting Group. Not only are we eBay experts, but we're also Amazon and Walmart experts. So if you wanted to expand, we're here to help you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.